A quick tip for maximum learning. Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen. Getting familiar with these words first will really boost your listening comprehension. Let's get started.
Future education choices. A. I'm thinking about my education path. I want to enroll on a course at a good university or college after finishing secondary school, but I also consider distance learning or even a vocational course. B. That's smart. It really depends if you prefer hands-on programs or academic ones. Have you thought about attending lectures, doing lab work in science, biology, chemistry, or physics? Or maybe major in mathematics? A. Yes, I like analytical subjects. I plan to take part in activities like extracurricular activities as well. But I know the work is hard, lots of assignments, a difficult thesis later on, and attending tutorials. I'll need to hit the books, maybe even burn the midnight oil to ace the exam rather than just cram for the test. B. True, hit the books and ace it sound great, but don't just cram. That's only a short-term fix. Better to learn the ropes properly, and if you want a top job, graduate from university and complete a degree with good grades to gain knowledge and create job opportunities. A. I'd also like to apply for a scholarship. I've heard that educational institutions offer postgraduate school fellowships. After undergrad, I might go there. B. Sounds like a plan. To access to education like that, you'll need to invest in education with time and effort. Remember, if you go the extra mile, your success won't be a piece of cake, but you'll have support from the educational community. AC, I know I'm not alone. Many of us are in the same boat facing competitive admissions, but with motivation and effort, we'll make it.